Hey, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to do a quick video to let you know that we have to postpone drawing tonight's Members of the Week. Please know how much we appreciate yous. But I got into studio repairs. I got some new stuff from Amazon, and I opened a whole nother kettle of worms. Been working on it for a couple hours now. Wires strung from one end to the other. And on top of that, I have my reoccurring arthritis, or maybe it's gout, not sure. But if you ever wanted proof that I have a European wife, there you go, folks. Right there. As I sit here with cabbage on my foot, not sure if she's planning to make a stew out of me, not sure if she's bringing other foods to put on me. And between us, I'm a little nervous where this is all going. But here we stand, or here we sit, as I should say. So, my apologies once again. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and a great evening. And we'll see you very soon. Thank you so much for your understanding. And hit the like button if you like the cabbage. Or if you have another remedy you recommend, please let me know. Hopefully it's a purchase one, because I'm worried she has more food sitting on a counter out in the kitchen ready to baste me with. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and be well.